kami sa coffee shop ng kaibigan ni Kim.
Hello.
Wow!
How are you, Stas?
Thank you, fine on you.
Good, good, good.
Did you sleep?
Yeah. Oh, really well. We wake up like 2 p.m.
Hi! How are you?
Fine.
Wow, this is
These
so
are
nice.
This is the treasure.
the samples. And these are like gifts. Just for the
Naglalakad-lakad kami ni Kim.
try. And these are all the samples. And this is some of like mix of Cypher's coffee.
Okay.
Maybe we can fill in the coffee after you go.
Let's see, because
Yeah,
26
exactly.
Oh, meron pa din. Ah, toilet. Okay. Hi! Dito kami sa klase ni Q, dun sa Q grade. Tapos sila mag-lecture dito sa Webes. Yun lang. Pero baka kanina ako sumama dahil puro kape-kape lang naman. Hindi naman ako magkakape ng madami. Okay, bye-bye. Mamaya ito ako magbibideo.